Building sentences, making our writing interesting. Learning intention. We are learning to add more detail to our writing to make it more interesting. Look at this sentence. The cat sat. That's pretty boring. So let's make it more interesting. Here's our sentence. The cat sat. Let's describe the cat using adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Using adjectives to describe something. The large, lazy, brown cat sat. Large, lazy and brown are adjectives because they are describing the cat. Powerful verbs. The large, lazy, brown cat sat. Let's change our verb. Verbs are doing words. So in our sentence, the large, lazy, brown cat sat, what's the cat doing? Or what was the cat doing? It was sitting, so the cat sat. So sat is our doing word. That's our verb. Instead of sat, let's use plopped. Here's our sentence now. The large, lazy, brown cat plopped. So now we've changed sat to plopped. But how did the cat plop? We need to describe how the cat plopped using an adverb. Using an adverb. Adverbs describe the verb. The large, lazy, brown cat plopped slowly. Slowly is an adjective because it describes how the cat plopped. It plopped slowly. Here's our sentence now. The large, lazy, brown cat plopped slowly. It's getting better, isn't it? But I think we can still do more to make it even more interesting for our readers. Where did the cat plop? We need to add another noun to explain where the cat plopped slowly. Adding a noun. Nouns are people, places, and things. The large, lazy brown cat plopped slowly onto her bed. Bed is a noun because it's a thing and a place. It's her bed. It's where she goes to sleep. Cat is a noun because it's a thing. It's an animal. Here's our sentence now. The large, lazy brown cat plopped slowly onto her bed. Well, it's getting much more interesting. But what kind of bed was it? Let's use some more adjectives to describe the cat's bed. Adding adjectives, part 2. Adjectives are describing words. The large, lazy brown cat plopped slowly onto her comfortable, soft bed. Comfortable and soft are adjectives because they describe the cat's bed. Here's where we started. The cat sat. Pretty boring. And here's where we've ended. The large, lazy brown cat plopped slowly onto her comfortable, soft bed. That really paints a picture in your mind of where the cat was, how it sat down, and what it looked like. That sort of makes it very interesting for our readers. So we really did make that much more interesting, didn't we? And we've woken the cat right up again. And that's the end.